Welcome back to our channel. My name is Mam. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, as you can see in front of your screen, it's an introduction to robots text. So it's a little bit more leaning towards the web design of the site, but it's extremely essential, especially when you're doing SEO. So let's get started. So in the SEO realm, a robot's text is a secret weapon to controlling how search engine crawlers interact or access your website. So it's practically giving them a roadmap, guiding them to the content you want them to see and steering them away from areas you rather not want them to see. Okay, cool. So a question that you might ask is, why should you care about robot text in the context of SEO? Well, listeners, search engines rely on web crawlers to index and rank your website. So the robots text files acts as your direct line of communications between these crawlers, allowing you to fine-tune their journey throughout their digital escape. So do you see how important a robot's text file is on your website? So on the website, on the actual file, there's many settings that you can put in. So there's user agent and disallow directive. So user agent specifically is crawler affected, and disallow indicates that areas they should steer clear of. So if you say user agent, that means they can have access to it, and disallow, that means they cannot have access to it. So think as SEO as your rule book, with every line having a strategic purpose. So here's here's where the magic happens. So first thing is you want to use allow to explicitly permit crawling specific directories. Second, you want to employ webcard characters for dynamic URL patterns. And do not forget to regularly update and test your robots text to ensure it aligns with your SEO agents. So if you do not want people to use or the crawlers to allow your website, you simply add the Google bot and disallow and add admin. So this will not allow any crawlers to access your website. So to avoid SEO mishaps, leverage tools like Google Search Console to validate your SEO, your robots text file, and ensure that your directives are clear, concise, and aligned with the overall SEO goals. So remember, a well-optimized SEO text can make a significant difference in how search engines perceive and rank the content. So practically, that's all that you need to know about robots text. Just to give you a quick reminder, user text and disallow directives. So practically, you can set on which pages Google can crawl and which Google shouldn't crawl. For more videos like this, we release videos on a daily, so definitely leave a like, comment, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any SEO tips that can help with your rankings. And lastly, just a quick favor for you guys. I just want to show you some robots text generators that you can use. So if you just type in robots text generator, you'll see SEO Optima, but be careful with SEO Optima. You will only be able to create only one. So once you go in there, be pretty sure how to do so. Yeah, that's all from us today. In the next video, ciao.